Matcha, the bright green powder that's everywhere, from your favorite influencer's morning routine to the menu of every trendy cafe. But why is it suddenly taking over the world? What's so special about this ancient drink that's got everyone buzzing? And why are people ditching their coffee for this vibrant green alternative? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the secrets behind the viral matcha craze, and you might just be surprised by what you discover. Before we start, drop in the comments from where you are watching this video and what health topic you'd like to see in the next video. Also, as a special thank you for joining us today, we're giving away 100 free copies of Barbara's best-selling book to subscribers. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment about why you want to win Barbara's best-selling book. Today, we're diving into the world of matcha, that gorgeous, vibrant green powder that's been taking over Instagram, TikTok, and your local coffee shop. But here's the thing. Matcha isn't just a trend. It's a centuries-old superfood with a fascinating history and some seriously impressive health benefits. So, if you've ever wondered what matcha actually is, why it's so good for you, or how to use it beyond the basic latte, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be a matcha pro, ready to whisk, sip, and savor your way to better health. Let's get started. What is matcha? First things first. What exactly is matcha? Well, matcha is a type of green tea, but it's not your average cup of tea. It's made from finely ground green tea leaves, and here's the kicker. When you drink matcha, you're consuming the entire tea leaf. That's right, no steeping, no tossing the leaves away. You're getting 100% of the nutrients, antioxidants, and goodness packed into those leaves. Now, matcha has its roots in Japan, where it's been a staple of traditional tea ceremonies for over 800 years. But it's not just about tradition. Matcha is grown and processed in a very specific way. The tea plants are shaded for about 20–30 days before harvest, which boosts their chlorophyll content and gives matcha that iconic bright green color. After harvesting, the leaves are steamed, dried, and ground into that fine powder we know and love. So, why does this matter? Well, because of this unique process, matcha is packed with way more nutrients than regular green tea. It's like green tea on steroids, but in the best way possible. Fun fact, the word matcha literally means powdered tea in Japanese. And while it's been a cornerstone of Japanese culture for centuries, it's now a global phenomenon. From Tokyo to New York, people are falling in love with matcha, and for good reason. The health benefits of matcha. Now let's talk about why matcha is considered a superfood. Spoiler alert, it's not just because it looks pretty in your morning photos. Matcha is loaded with health benefits that can seriously upgrade your wellness game. Let's break it down. 1. Packed with antioxidants. First up, matcha is a powerhouse of antioxidants. You've probably heard that term before, but what does it actually mean? Antioxidants are compounds that help fight off free radicals in your body, those pesky molecules that can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases. Matcha is particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called catechins, and one catechin in particular, EGCG, epigallocatechin galate, is known for its cancer-fighting properties. In fact, studies have shown that matcha has up to 137 times more antioxidants than regular green tea. That's insane, right? But here's the thing. Not all matcha is created equal. The quality of matcha can vary depending on where it's grown and how it's processed. Ceremonial-grade matcha, which is the highest quality, is made from the youngest tea leaves and has the most vibrant color and flavor. Culinary-grade matcha is still great for cooking and baking, but if you're drinking it straight, go for ceremonial-grade to get the most benefits. 2. Boosts brain function. Next, matcha is a brain booster. Thanks to its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, matcha can help improve focus, memory, and mood. But here's the cool part. Unlike coffee, which can give you the jitters, matcha provides a calm, focused energy. L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness, so you get the best of both worlds, alertness and calm. It's like yoga for your brain in a cup. Studies have shown that L-theanine increases alpha brainwaves, which are associated with relaxation and creativity. So, if you're looking for a productivity hack, matcha might just be your new best friend. And let's not forget the caffeine. It's enough to give you a gentle energy boost without the crash. Perfect for those mid-afternoon slumps. 3. Supports heart health. Matcha is also great for your heart. Studies have shown that it can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, which are risk factors for heart disease. Plus, the antioxidants in matcha help protect your blood vessels and reduce inflammation, keeping your cardiovascular system in tip-top shape. One study even found that drinking green tea, which matcha is a concentrated form of, was associated with a lower risk of stroke and heart disease. So, if you're looking to support your heart health, matcha is a delicious way to do it. 7. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Another incredible benefit of matcha is its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. This is especially important for anyone looking to manage or prevent type 2 diabetes. Matcha contains compounds that can help regulate insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Studies have shown that the catechins in matcha, particularly EGCG, can improve how your body processes glucose. This means matcha may help stabilize your energy levels throughout the day and reduce those mid-afternoon crashes. Plus, the combination of fiber and antioxidants in matcha slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, making it a great choice for anyone watching their sugar intake. If you're someone who struggles with sugar cravings or energy dips, adding matcha to your routine could be a game changer. It's a natural way to keep your blood sugar balanced without relying on processed snacks or sugary drinks. 8. Promotes longevity and cellular health. Here's a benefit that might surprise you. Matcha can actually help promote longevity and protect your cells from aging. How? It all comes down to its high concentration of antioxidants and its ability to combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main drivers of aging and chronic diseases. It happens when free radicals overwhelm your body's ability to neutralize them, leading to cell damage over time. Matcha's antioxidants, especially EGCG, help neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells and DNA from damage. But that's not all. Matcha also supports the health of your mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of your cells. Healthy mitochondria mean more energy, better cellular repair, and a slower aging process. In fact, some studies suggest that the regular consumption of green tea and matcha, by extension, is associated with a longer lifespan. During cold and flu season, matcha can be a great addition to your routine. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel their best all year round? So whether you're looking to improve your focus, support your heart health, or just feel more energized, matcha has got your back. But now that you know why it's so amazing, let's talk about how to use it. How to use matcha. All right, let's get practical. Here's how you can incorporate matcha into your daily routine like a pro. I'll walk you through the basics and then share some fun, creative ways to use matcha that go beyond the classic latte. 1. Traditional matcha tea. First, let's start with the classic, traditional matcha tea. All you need is matcha powder, hot water, not boiling, around 175 Fahrenheit or 80 degrees, and a bamboo whisk, or a small regular whisk if you don't have one. Here's how you do it. Sift 1–2 teaspoons of matcha powder into a bowl to remove any clumps. Add about 2 ounces of hot water. Whisk in a zigzag motion until the matcha is fully dissolved and frothy. And that's it. You've got yourself a cup of pure, energizing matcha. It's simple, elegant, and oh so satisfying. 2. Matcha latte. Next up, the matcha latte, a fan favorite. For this, you'll need matcha powder, hot water, and your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based. Here's the method. Whisk 1–2 teaspoons of matcha with a little hot water, just like before. Heat up your milk. You can froth it if you want that cafe-style foam. Pour the milk into your matcha mixture and stir gently. Pro tip: add a touch of honey or maple syrup if you like it sweet. It's creamy, comforting, and perfect for cozy mornings. 3. Matcha smoothies. Now let's kick it up a notch with matcha smoothies. Matcha pairs beautifully with fruits like bananas, mangoes, and berries. Here's a simple recipe to try. 1 teaspoon matcha powder, 1 frozen banana, 1 2-cup almond milk, 1 2-cup spinach. Trust me, you won't taste it. A drizzle of honey. Blend it all together and you've got a nutrient-packed smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. 4. Matcha baked goods. Feeling adventurous? Let's talk matcha baked goods. You can add matcha powder to cookies, muffins, pancakes, or even brownies for a healthy twist. Here's a quick idea. Add 1-2 teaspoons of matcha powder to your favorite pancake batter. Cook as usual and top with fresh berries and a drizzle of maple syrup. It's a delicious way to sneak some extra antioxidants into your day. 5. Matcha face mask. Okay, this one's for the skincare lovers. Did you know you can use matcha topically? Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties make it great for your skin. Here's a DIY face mask recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon matcha powder with 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Apply to your face, leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse off. Your skin will feel refreshed and glowing, and there you have it. Everything you need to know about matcha. From its incredible health benefits to all the delicious ways you can use it, matcha is truly a superfood worth adding to your routine. Whether you're sipping it, blending it, or baking with it, matcha is a versatile and powerful way to boost your health. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some matcha, get creative, and let me know in the comments how you like to enjoy it. If you have any questions or need further advice, please drop them in the comments below. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips, and as always, stay informed, stay healthy.